Welcome guys back to the channel. It's your guy Mighty Gideon, and in this very video today I'll be going to account from $60 to $600 for an investor to a mighty height. I was contacted to this account to something very massive. He contacted me to trade it to from $60 to $6,000 to a mighty height. Let's go and be elevated to something very massive. If you watch, you can see this is XUSD, and if you watch, you can see that there is a very strong resistance level at this zone. There's a resistance level at this zone, and if you watch, this is trying to create some head and shoulder pattern, and I've been talking about this in the past. If you watch, this is a head pattern, this is a shoulder pattern, this is the shoulder, this is also the shoulder at this very point. So if you watch here, this is the head and this shoulder. So head and shoulder pattern signifies some sales in the market. That means I'm selling momentum at that very point. So I'm going to enter my lot size with 0.25 lot size, and I'll be selling this very trade just now. So currently I've entered my trade just now. I'm currently making few profit at this very point. Let's see what XUSD has for us at this very point. We're expecting the trade to drop down massively from this very zone. So guys, the trade is currently selling down massively from this zone. You can see our entry on a sniper entering. The trade sold down massively from this our overall zone. As we mapped out our head and shoulder pattern and overall zone at this very point. The trade sold down massively at this very point. And currently I'm closing out trades in profit at this very point. I'm currently up in $216.78 to a mighty height. Let's take our next trade, something very massive. And so guys, at this very point I'm going to be buying XUSD due to the fact that if you watch, you can see there's an overall zone at this very point. You can see the first touch at this very point, second touch, and currently this is the third touch, and the trade to buy massively from this very point. Trade to buy to this overall zone here. So currently from here, I've entered my lot size with 0.10 lot size because this is going to be a sniper entry at this very point. We're buying massively at this very point. We need to buy massively and give us good profit at this very point. This is what I see what XUSD has for us to a mighty height. So guys, the trade is currently buying massively from our zone at this very point. See, the trade is respecting our setup at this very point. And currently, I'm closing our trades in profit at this very point. Currently, we're open $253.10 at the very point to a mighty height. So guys, our balance is $353.10 at this very point to a mighty height, and our target is from $60 to $6,000. So let's take our next trade. If you watch here, we'll zoom in and we see what the trade is doing. You can see that there's a major support level at this feature. There's a major support level at this feature. In the past, whenever you're in a trade and you see that the trade creates something like this, it's signifying some buys in this momentum here. It's signifying some buys in this momentum. And also, if you watch this very zone, you can see that the trade created two zones here. What you will see there, you can see that there was a resistance level here, and it mitigated this zone. This zone is what they call a mitigation zone. So now it have respected it and to continue buying at this very point. That is what I'm seeing at this very zone right now to a mighty height. That is what I'm seeing just now. So from here, I'm going to be buying this trade now. I'm going to be buying this very trade with 0.20 loss at this very point. We're buying this very trade for the trade to buy because currently we are buying on a sniper entry level. We are buying on a sniper entry level for the trade to buy and give us huge profit. This trade is enough to a mighty height. Let's see what XUSD has for us. So guys, the trade is currently buying massively to a mighty height. You can see there was a massive buy from this very point to a mighty height at this very point. Currently, I'm closing out trades in profit at this very point. Close up at this very point. Currently, we're up in $2,129.30 at this very point. You can see that this trade bought massively to a mighty height at this very point. Trade bought massively and gave us huge profit at this very point. And currently we're up in $2,129.30. Our target is from $60 to $600. If I can do it, you can do it. With the main target to get the account for an investor to a mighty height. Let's see our next trade to something very massive. So guys, with a balance of $2,129.30 at the very point, our target is from $60 to $600. And currently I've taken my next trade. If you watch, you can see this trade is overall bullish. They did have been buying for long. So we plan to take our entry at this very point to make massive profit to a mighty height at this very point. So currently from this region, I'll just map out my overall resistance level at this very point. You can see there's a very strong zone at this point. There's a very strong zone at this point, and if you watch, you can see that it did sharply broke out from this zone. That's what the trade currently showing at this very point. And whenever a trade breaks out from an overall zone, it's going to keep on going to the nearest direction. And if you also watch, you can see there's a very strong zone at this very point too. There's a very strong support level at this very point. So this trade is currently overall bullish at this very point. The trade is currently overall bullish, and that is what I'm seeing at this very point. So currently from this very point, I'm going to be buying this very trade at this very point. I've entered my buy with 100 size of a buy because the trade have really broken out from our overall zone at this very point. I expect the trade to buy massively and give us huge profit to a mighty height. Let's see what XUSD has for us to something very massive. And if you watch, you can see that there was a very strong breakout from this very zone, and we're expecting the trade to keep on buying massively and give us huge profit to something very massive at this very point. We're expecting to pass our challenge with this very setup at this very point to a mighty high. Let's see what XUSD has for us. So guys, the trade is currently buying massively, and currently we're up in profit. The trade bought massively from that zone. So currently I'm closing out trades in profit, close up at the very point. And currently we're up in $4,038.70 at the very point. The main aim from $60 to $600 at the very point. So currently taking our last trade to flip account to something very massive and probably very challenge to a mighty height at this very point. So guys, we're taking our next trade at this very point. I'll just be mapping some analysis. If you watch, you can see that currently this is currently like a falling flag at this very point. And falling flag only signifies some bullish momentum to the upside at this very point. So currently we enter in our buys now with one low side very massive. We enter in our buy now for the trade to buy and give us massive profit to a mighty height at the very point. So we entered our buys now. Let's see what XUSD has for us to a mighty height. So guys, the trade is currently buying massively, and currently we're up in $5,000. I closed up position at the very point. Currently up in $5,000 at the very point. Our target is from $60 to $600. Currently we have $1,000 left to part the very challenge to a mighty height. Let's see what XUSD has for us to a mighty height. So guys, with a balance of $5,035.80 at the very point, we've taken our last trade, and since this very trade is overall bullish, the trade bought massively as anticipated. Since the trade is overall bullish, I'm going to keep on buying this very trade because the trade is not going to sell. And if you watch, you can see there's a very strong support level at this region. There's a very strong support level at this very region. There's a very strong support level at this region. So the market sold down from here. The trade sold down from here and currently sold down. So currently to bounce here and keep on buying at that very point. So I'll just enter more 3 buys at this very point with 0. With 3 lot size for them to buy massively and give us profit to a mighty height. So guys, the trade is currently buying massively. I'm almost probably very challenged now. They just keep on buying from our entry point. Is that sniper entry is buying massively from that very point, and currently Let's see. I'm probably very challenged to a mighty height at the very point. Currently, it is currently buying massively at that very point. So guys, so I've probably very challenged. I'm closing out to it in profit at the very point. Close up position at the very point. The trade currently bought massively from this zone, and currently we have probably very challenged. Currently, from $60 we ended in $7,000. That means our target from $60 to $6,000, and currently we have probably very challenged to a mighty height. The trade bought massively. I told you the trade is going to buy from the very zone. You enter the sniper entry, and the trade bought massively from here to your mighty height at the very point. And if you want account management to a mighty height, and from a very small account to something very massive, if you want to join my VIP signal, and if you want to join my academy, contact me for the link below in the very video. See you in my next video. Peace out.